Question, girl, I got the answer. Yeah. You can be my private dancer. Yeah. You can be my private dancer. You can be my private. Walked in this spot looking fly at the corner of my eye. See a shorty tryna look my way. She knows what it is and she knows who I am, so I don't got much to say. She's tryna leave a man, but he grabs her hand and he screams out something like, hey, hey. Hey, bring it back. Got Patron on my side, a whole lot of lime. It's time to get it started. You know what's on my mind, girl, let's leave this party. Yeah, I'm in love with how you move your body. Hey, hey, you got a question, baby. You got a question, girl, I got your answer. You can be my private dancer. You can be my private dancer.
Mr. Pressure, riding, Mrs. Private Dancer, answer, I'm calling, I'm going all in. This feeling's foreign, these other chicks is boring. They talking, I'm yawning, I'm snoring. Bring it back.
Like you, like me, excite me. It's likely you might be my wifey and do this for me daily, nightly. Beside me, I'll show you all the right things. Your man so sick, ain't need an IV.